Welcome to ePlay, the world of making money online.
Today we're going to talk about how we easily can use ChatGPT to make money in a really special and easy way. As we all know by now, ChatGPT can do nearly anything you like, from writing you a song, do your homework, to write all kinds of code for programmers. If you're one of those which still haven't tried ChatGPT, we strongly recommend you to do so. Because the power of this AI tool will definitely blow your mind. Its possibilities are nearly unlimited, and our creativity will most likely stop long before we reach its limits. And what's really scary is that this is only the beginning. We've played around with the robot for some time and found some really good ways for how you can use it to earn some money. The future is now, so start exploring the potential of ChatGPT by yourself. Who knows, it might just change your life. Before we start, we kindly ask you to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. So, today we're going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to create a profitable browser extension. That's right, an extension for your browser which you can turn into a profitable one by distributing it out to a lot of users through Google Web Store. The Chrome extension market is huge, and by finding the right idea and getting users in numbers, there is a lot of money you can make. And best of all, there's no risk by trying this, and it is super easy. Most of us is already familiar with browser extensions, and have probably heard about the number one adblock. Adblock for Google Chrome is really massive, and has many millions of users. It generated a revenue of nearly €56 million back in 2020. So, there is no doubt that there's huge potential here. So first, we'll show you a really nice trick for how you can start right away without even having any ideas at all. Most people get stuck at this stage, before they have even started. This is because they're only thinking about what to make, rather than making an actual decision. The trick here is to let ChatGPT do the brainstorming for you. It can actually identify categories and ideas that have significant market potential and in the same time is currently underrepresented on the market. In that way, you can easily find something that you believe in and that also has strong potential for success. We're visiting the home of the robot. Go to chat.openai.com and we're asking, can you list 10 Google Chrome extensions ideas which have huge potential and which there are few of on the market? Lean back while ChatGPT starts generating a list of 10 promising ideas for us. First one its list is called Focus Mode. It says that Focus Mode is an extension that helps users stay focused while browsing by blocking distracting websites and providing productive tools. Next one is Price Comparison, an extension that compares prices. And the list goes on to Grammar Checker, Tab Manager, Social Media Tracker, Bookmark Manager, News Aggregator, URL Shortener, Translation Helper and last, Password Manager. It then specifies that while some of these extensions may already exist, there is always room for improvement and innovation. And if you can't find something you really like, you can always ask for 10 other ideas, or even specify for which category you want the ideas to be within. For this tutorial, we're going to demonstrate this really cool method by doing it simple. We're asking the robot to create us a simple QR code generator as a Google Chrome extension. We want the generator to generate QR codes for the URL of the actual website we're visiting. We've also added some extra functionality with a triple click function. Remember also to include the last sentence in your question, which tells ChatGPT to create the code with Manifest version 3. If you don't do this, you may get some compatibility issues. It starts with listing all the steps you need, so sit back and wait for your code and instructions. We're going to create 4 different files: manifest.json, popup.html, popup.js, and popup.css. Now we create a folder for our extension, and then create the necessary files. Right-click inside your folder and choose New and then choose Text Document. Do this 3 times and rename the files according to the names provided by ChatGPT. Choose Yes when asked if you're sure about renaming the files. First, we copy the code for manifest.json, and we paste it inside our newly created file by opening the file with Notepad. Paste the code, save and exit. Then we're doing the same for all the 3 other files. Now create one last file called qrcode.min.js. Then click the link given for the QR code, and copy all text from this website and paste it into your new file. Again, save and exit. After this, the only thing remaining is to link an icon for your Chrome extension. For that, we only do a Google search for icon 16 by 16 QR code generator. We then just find and download an icon in .png format. Save this file inside your folder with all the other files. Remember to rename the file to icon.png. We're now ready to load the extension into our browser. Type in chrome://extensions in your address field and press enter. In the upper right corner, you need to activate developer mode. From there, you can click on Load Unpacked in the upper left corner. Select the folder which has all your new files. Now you can click on the extension button with this puzzle icon and then see our QR code generator listed. Click on the pin icon and it will appear on the main window. We can now see that our QR icon appeared, and if we click on it, a QR code for this actual web page will be generated. Let's test it on some websites. We're heading to some newspapers. Again, we click on our extension, and a unique QR code appears. Grab your mobile phone and open the camera app. Point the camera to the QR code and click the link. You'll get directed to the same web page as you are on your computer. We do the test once more on the other newspaper. Follow the same procedure, and we can see that everything works really nice. We have now showed you how easy it is to create a Google Chrome extension, so now it's up to you to decide for an idea and get it out on the Google Web Store. Which extension do you want to create? Let us know in the comments section. If you like this tutorial, hit the like button and please consider subscribing to our channel for even more content like this.